Everybody's looking for the next big conservation breakthrough. What if I told you it begins with understanding tiny parasites? Zoos are a haven for conservation and education, but captive birds face a silent struggle against parasites. These tiny invaders can wreak havoc, causing health issues and even death. In the wild, birds can often escape unfavorable conditions, but captive birds don't have that luxury. Proper management practices are crucial. Understanding the types of parasites, their life cycles, and how they affect birds is key. From diet to habitat conditions, every detail matters. So next time you visit a zoo, remember, behind the scenes there's a dedicated team working tirelessly to keep those feathered friends healthy. Because in the battle against parasites, knowledge is power.